community here is it's small, but it's tightly knit.
With older kids, they always are like your big sisters or like your mom and dad here. And then with the younger ones, you get to mentor them and you get to show them the ways of how we learn traditional music and to see them grow.
I like to play traditional Irish music because, well, my family is all Irish, or half Irish, and it's really fun, and it's more lively than a lot of other music.
The reason why I like to learn traditional Irish music is because I can showcase it more than you can classical music.
Well, it's fun music for me. It gets in your head and stays in your head.
What I like about playing music with John McCormick is that it's fun and he's an easygoing guy.
Playing music with older people helps me like get new perspectives kind of on tunes. And I'll take some of their ideas and make it my own.
The main one is Docky Sproul. He's been my mentor since I was starting here, so I was 6, and he's just kind of taking me under his wing and taught me some of the tunes that he's never taught anyone before.
I see myself playing traditional Irish music for the rest of my life. I would like to spend more time in Ireland playing.
I like it, and it's not one of those things like football or something where it's hard on your body.
My favorite tune name is Get Up Old Woman and Shake Yourself.
The Bunch of Keys.
I think my favorite tune is I Buried My Wife and Danced on Top of Her.
There's a big history behind these tunes that have been passed down from generation to generation, and now they're here.